WordPress Site Speed Optimization complete tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you could use, how you could speed up your WordPress website, guys. So if your website is really slow and it's very difficult where it's working really slow, people can come and view your website, and also there's a lot of high bounce rate because it's not loading. And as per Google as well, guys, if your website is not loading within 3 seconds, there are 60% or 70% chance that people will bounce off. But in this video I'm going to show you some techniques where you could speed up your website and you could load them much faster. So guys, let's get to the video. So guys, first things first, you need a really good web hosting. The faster the web hosting, the much easier it is for the website to load. So currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. I've tried GoDaddy, HostGator and other things as well, Hostinger, and the other web hosting companies, but this one is really good. So all you have to do is just get started. So just click here, get started, and I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. Go and check it out. It's an affiliate link, so I would get some kickback. So once you purchase it, I'm not going to show you how to purchase it. So let's say I get started, and then once you purchase everything, all you have to do is then just click on login. So I'm going to show you each and everything, how everything works on GT metrics and how you need to make sure that your website is really fast. So I'll just create a new website and show you how it is, so you would get an idea about it just from the beginning. So I'm just going to call it website speed. Okay, website speed demo. Okay, just don't install any plugins. So and then just click on next. So as you could see, I've just created a new website. It's on the Bluehost domain. So as you could see over here, I've just loaded on GT Matrix. So without even doing anything, it's a very plain, basic, simple, nothing's on the website, and it's showing me 1.5 seconds and it's loading. So depending on the servers, but again, it's a fast load and everything is 98 and 96. Now, first thing, always remember that the more themes, the more plugins, whatever you install, the heavier the website's gonna get. So first thing we need to remember is just remove all the unwanted plugins which you don't use. Second thing is remove all the themes which you don't use. That's the first step. The second step is installing a cache plugin. So I'm going to show you on my website which cache plugin I use. So if I go on yavarkhan.com, so this is my website right now. So the one which I use is WP Rocket. So guys, I've used W3 cache, I've used all the other cache website cache plugins as well, but this one is the best one. I'm going to explain you in a very simple terms. So I've tried installing all the cache plugin. It bloats up your WordPress, but WP Rocket does not bloat up your website. So if I go on WP Rocket, so just click on WP Rocket. I'm gonna make myself small. So all the issues which you get, mini JavaScript, mini CSS, everything would be done. So if you come over here, first things first, you need to go on cache. Okay, enable cache for mobile devices, then file optimization. We are going to install another plugin for that. Only over here, just optimize Google Fonts. Go on media, enable for images, enable for iframes, disable emoji, disable WordPress embeds. That's it. Okay, preload. So the one which right now I've just activated it. So all these, they load on your website and they take time. So if somewhere on your, it's showing over here that that optimize some server scale images, not server scale image, somewhere over here that it's pulling in fonts from Google. So you could put all the fonts over here. That's it. And then I've also connected with a CDN. So the one CDN which I'm using is Cloudflare. Again, it's a free CDN. You could go and use it. Yeah, this is it. So this is one plugin which I use. The other one which I use is WP Optimize. So I've installed this plugin called Optimize, Auto Optimize. So it's a free plugin, and all you have to do is JavaScript, optimize JavaScript, CSS options, HTML, and that's it, guys. These are the default settings over here, but you just have to activate HTML options, CSS options, and JavaScript. The rest of them are simple. I've not changed it at all. So I've not changed it at all. So everything rest is the same. And now the most biggest one is your images, guys. So whenever you are uploading images, make sure it's compressed. So I'm going to give you one example right now. So if I go over here, okay, so I just edit with Elementor and I make these images big. I'm just gonna show you an example right now. So I've just made the images big. Okay, so over here it's not compressed at all. And if I just go to GT metrics right now, if I just search, so now as you could see right now, it's showing me 52. Okay, which means my server scale images are really big. So it's very simple technique. Whenever you're uploading images, just compress it and upload it. There's no option. And the other one which I was saying is Google APIs. So I need to put this over there as well in WP Rocket, so everything would be loading before all this. So server scale images, I'm gonna fix it because this is the major one which causes the page speed score to go down. So very simple. Again, I just come back over here. The image size over here is, so just experiment, guys. So what is it saying me? It's saying that this one is really big, as you could see, you know, resized in HTML or CSS. I need to make it to 383. So there are a lot of ways to do it. On Elementor it's very easy. I'm just gonna, you know, do this and update and just do. So once this is updated, I think so it won't show it immediately. It needs, because I have CD and I have, you know, WP Rocket, they need the cache to reload again, but still I'm gonna try it. So it's showing 52. I'm just gonna do a retest. So guys, again, as you could see, I just reloaded it from 52. I went to 94. So again, you know, look at this. Now my server scale images have completely gone, only this one's remaining. So I'm gonna go and fix it in WP Rocket. As I told you over here, if I go back on my WP Rocket settings, WP Rocket, and then preload. So I'm gonna put this over here and everything would be solved. And it's very easy, and don't just run behind. I need to make 99, 99. Even a brand new website is 98 and 96. So if you don't get 100, which means your hosting is really slow. So again, Bluehost is really good. And remember, use a good theme, use good plugins, and, you know, genuine. Don't use the fake ones or the cracked ones which you get on the internet. And this is one easy way. So again, I've showed you. So the first one is WP Rocket. So basically it's a paid plugin, so you have to buy it. And I've tried all the other ones, it didn't work at all. If you find some free ones, let me know so I can make a video on that. The next one is auto optimize. The third one is make sure your images are compressed. And also for WP Rocket, I'm using a CDN, which is a content delivery network, Cloudflare. That's it, guys, and that's it for today's video. And it's very simple. Only you just need all these three. Don't try to run behind making it 100. It's, you know, don't waste your time on that. Invest in somewhere else, but just try to optimize it. And if you think that, you know, something's wrong with it, come over here, figure out why slow. So okay, my free domains is over here, expiry headers are not here, so I'm gonna add expiry headers because I'm using a CDN. I'm gonna do that. Just investigate. If not, Google is your best friend, guys. Search add expiry headers. Okay, I can say add expiry headers on Cloudflare, and then it will show you there's one option in Cloudflare which I'm gonna go and activate it. So it's very simple, just figure out on your own, but these are the basic steps. If you do that, it's gonna give you 94 and 81 or more than that score. And that's it for today's video. And if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And also, if you would like to learn more about WordPress, how to create a WordPress website from scratch, or how you could start making money selling websites, I've created a free course. Everything's down below, link in the description. And that's it, guys. I would see you in the next video.